Your AI agent's memory is broken, forcing you to start over on any big project. This free tool fixes that permanently. When your AI agent's context window overflows, it forgets the plan and wastes your time. The solution is giving it a persistent memory. Meet Claude-Mem, a popular open-source tool that gives any AI agent a long-term memory. It captures and compresses context from past sessions, so the logic is a simple loop. It captures your agent's session history and uses an AI to compress it. Then, it injects the most relevant facts back into the next set. This isn't just for Claude, it's a universal memory layer for your entire stack. It works with models like Gemini, Hermes, and OpenAI, so you can build agents. Setup is straightforward for any JavaScript project. Just install the package and add it as a dependency, following the quick start guide on the repo. After installing, simply import and initialize Claude-Mem in your agent's code. The defaults are sensible and get you started in just a few lines. The key is AI-powered compression, which avoids overflowing the context window. A cheaper AI model reads session history and turns thousands of tokens. This lets you tackle huge, multi-day tasks like a full codebase refactor. Your agent can retrieve the architectural plan from day one and execute perfect. It's also built for production scale. The latest release cuts telemetry costs by aggregating millions of events into 5-minute roll-ups, preventing huge bills. The honest take, you get slight latency on the first prompt and a small cost for the compression AI. But that's a tiny fraction of the cost of wasted developer time. This is a must-have for building autonomous agents for complex, multi-step tasks. If you're just doing one-shot prompts, you don't need it, but for real work, it's essential. The verdict is simple. If your AI agent needs to remember anything across sessions, use Claude-Mem. It's free, open source, and makes complex agentic workflow. So here's the recipe. Install the package, configure it in your agent's code, and run. You've just given your AI a perfect memory, so go start the repo and grab the guide.